Ever wondered why a heavy ship floats on water while a small pebble sinks? The answer lies in the fascinating concept of buoyant force. Picture this. You're at a pool party, you jump in and you float. You're not thinking about physics, but it's physics that keeps you afloat. Your body displaces a volume of water, and this displacement creates an upward force that we call buoyant force. So, what exactly is buoyant force? In the simplest terms, buoyant force is the upward force exerted by a fluid like water or air that opposes the weight of an object immersed in it. This force occurs because the pressure of a fluid increases with depth. Therefore, the pressure on the bottom of an object submerged in a fluid is greater than the pressure on the top of the object. This difference in pressure results in a net upward force on the object. To put it plainly, if you've ever tried to push a beach ball underwater, you felt the buoyant force in action. The ball pushes back and pops up to the surface. That pushback is the buoyant force. But how does buoyant force make an object seem lighter? Imagine holding a heavy rock in your hands. Now imagine submerging that rock in water. It suddenly feels lighter, doesn't it? That's because the buoyant force is working against the rock's weight, making it seem less heavy than it actually is. The implications of buoyant force are far-reaching and integral to our daily lives. It explains why ships float, how hot air balloons rise, and why icebergs bob on the ocean's surface. It's also crucial in designing submarines and scuba gear, and understanding how fish swim at different depths. To summarize, buoyant force is the unsung hero of the fluid world. It's an upward force that resists the weight of an object immersed in a fluid. It's what keeps us afloat in a pool, allows ships to sail the seas, and lets fish explore the depths. It's an essential concept in physics that impacts our world in countless ways. So the next time you see a ship cruising on the water, or you take a dip in the pool, remember the buoyant force. It's more than just a concept in a physics textbook. It's a fundamental principle that shapes our world in ways we might not even realize.